What is publication in defamation law? Imagine sharing a secret that could change someone's life forever. Now think about how that secret becomes a legal issue when it's told to others. That's what publication is all about in defamation law. It's not just about saying something false. It's about making sure others hear or see it. When a false statement about someone is shared with at least one other person, it becomes a publication. This can happen in many ways, like talking, writing, or even gestures. The key is that someone besides the person being talked about must understand the statement. If no one hears or understands it, then it's not considered published. The law says that even a single person hearing the statement counts as publication. So, if you tell a friend something false about someone, you could be responsible. It's not just the person who originally said it who might be liable. Publishers, printers, or even websites that share the statement can be held accountable. If they knew it was false or didn't check if it was true, they could be responsible too. This is called negligence or intent. If someone shares a false statement on purpose or without caring if it's true, they are liable for publication. There's also something called the single publication rule. It means that once a false statement is published, the clock starts ticking on how long someone can sue. If the same false statement is shared again later, it might not count as a new publication unless it's changed or added to. Knowing about publication helps you see when a false statement becomes a legal problem. If someone spreads a lie about you to others, you might have a right to take legal action. But you need to prove that the statement was shared with others, was false, and hurt your reputation. It's also important to remember that not every negative comment is defamatory. Only false, damaging statements that are shared with others qualify. This part of the law balances free speech with protecting people's good name. If you're sharing information about others, be careful because you might be responsible for what you publish. If someone makes a false statement about you, understanding publication helps you know when you can fight back legally. For publishers or social media platforms, it's wise to have policies to handle potentially harmful content. In the end, publication is what turns a private comment or opinion into a legal issue. It's the moment a harmful statement crosses from private talk into a public or shared message that can cause real damage.